Yes, hello everyone. So today I'm going to deal with crane hook assembly. How we are going to assemble each and every components here. Let me just quickly start with that. I'm going to browse the component. This one. It's in part. I'll directly take this one into assemblies. And I'll just click on green check so that I can fix the first component. Okay. I think this is already done. So what I can do, I'll take a snapshot of this so that we can refer this one. I'll save on the desktop. Okay, close it. Even I'll close this assembly. Just a minute. I'll browse this. Now I'll refer this. I'm going to make assembly from this part. This is the crane hook. Click on OK. The first component will be added. So I'll simply drag and drop all the components. The crane hook assembly, push I need crane hook already added. This one also I want. I'll drag and drop it. Anchor hook I need, drag and drop it. Lock nut needed. Configuration, keep it this one. This also not needed. Plate spacer, support plate. These components I need here. Let's start assembling these things now. Keep somewhere else everything like this. The first component is this one. So I'll zoom in. I'll select this face, hold the control, select this face, define concentric. And start instant, drag up and select the bottom face and this face as coincident. Okay, once that is done, I'll just define between these two faces parallel. Now the next component is this. I'll define between these two concentric again. Once that is done, I think I need to make a cutout here. I'll open this part inside. Here I need to make the cutout. So let me just create the cutout. I'll refer this only, the sketch, extruded cut. So which one? This should be, not all the sketch, only that. Start from this face. That should be off. A 3 mm I'll specify for now. If it is needed more, you can just please go ahead with that. I'll just specify 3 mm. The cutout got added, I think from both sides. I need to check it once. Just a minute. Only one side. Yeah, I'm done with this. I'll just save this. I'll go back. Modified, rebuild. So now I'll use these two faces and I'll make coincident. This is done. So the next step is to add this one. I'll place it. These two faces should be coincident. Okay, then this surface and this surface should be concentric. Done. They should fit inside, so I'll just select these two faces and concentric again, and then these two, not this, and this face should be coincident, and this face should be parallel to this. Done. I'm done with few steps, so I need to add the washer. This washer should be concentric with any of this, no matter what, means whatever the surface might be, don't worry, just concentric relation I needed, I just added it. So I'll just select these two coincident. Done. I need this one. I'll hold the control, drag and drop it to create the copy. The configuration I need to change it to it. Click OK. This component should be here. I'll change it to 15 first. Click on OK. Next, one more copy. Just click on it and select 8. I need one more. Okay, track it. This should be of 7. Okay, now I need to have the concentric relation between these, and then done. No, still I need to make these two coincident. Done with this part. Next, this one should be placed here. Coincident, sorry. Yeah. Next, this face and this face should be coincident. Here, I think I need to place this. These two should be concentric. So I'll drag it out. This one and this one should be coincident. Yep. Now this and this concentric, drag it inside like this. Still can define these two should be coincident. Okay, I'm done with some of things. So I need to create everything that side. I'll use advanced tool, that is mirror components. So what and all components I want to mirror? This one and this one and this 3 components. So even this with respect to what? Mid plane. I think it's correct. Click on print check. Do I need to mirror this? No, I need to copy that one. I need one more copy of this. I'll just create a copy and I'll assign the mates again. So I would have done mirroring, but I just kept it for one more reason. You can see now. So it's done. Next, I need these all the components, this one as well as these lock nuts, here one and here one. So for that, I'll directly go with copy with mates. I'll select this tool and the component should be copied, this one and this one and this. Even I want to copy the mates. So now, very important, what should be repeated? This should be repeated. I'll select it, and even this also should repeat. Even this also should repeat, but this should change. One copy, done. One more copy here, done. Green check. So I don't want extra copies, that's enough. So this is about how this assembly gonna work. I hope this video will help you a lot. And threading and all and chamfering and all, you can do that one by using helical thread, and by changing the options in the document properties, display the helical threads. That you can do. That is not needed, even though it won't show sometimes in drawings and all. So this is how you work on assemblies. Guys, thank you for watching. Please do support and like our channel. Thank you. Bye.